Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am creating a Halloween themed background for my image. So let's get started. Choose the image that you want to edit. Duplicate the layer, always duplicate to save the original image. Hide the background color layer. Now click on selection tool and use freehand selection to draw on the image like you want it to cut and give shape from the bottom. Now click on the arrow to select the portion, move it away and then use eraser to erase the unwanted part. Duplicate the layer again and lock the previous layer. I do it to save myself from losing my work. Okay, now we will create the outline on the image. If you want to learn how to do it, you can check out my previous video or click on the I button. Or else follow me what I am doing here. Change the color to red. Now hide all the layer and create new layer. Now we will make the background of the image. So here I am using the Inca brush to make ghosts. As the brushes works according to the pressure you apply, so I will use very light hands to make web patterns to give the effect. Now, I am drawing a spider on the side with the same brush. To make eyes of the ghosts, I'll simply erase the portion with eraser, then again use brush to give the side the same effect. Now we will make the background by adding some smoky effect by using Freesonet brush and lowering its opacity and increasing the brush size. Now in the adjustments, select halftone. I am using full color mode and slide the pencil or your fingers towards right to adjust the percentage. Turn on the visibility for the image we created. Select the background layer and go to adjustments and select motion blur to give the effect. Create new layer and hide the others. Using Studio Pen brush, I created the blood dripping design on the top. Create new layer, and now we will do some shading on it using a darker shade of red and lowering its opacity. Now choose the rainforest brush and apply on the top. hide all the layers. Select the brush fresco. Unhide the background layer and the last layer we were working on. You can also create a new layer, but I am working on the same layer. Now increase the size of brush and tap on the screen twice or thrice to give the effect. Now erase the extra part over the ghost. Choose the splatter brush to give the effect as you want. Now, choosing the red colour and brush pen, make the bloody eyes and draw other elements you want. Always make these elements on the image layer only to select it all when you want to resize without any hassle. Now select the image to resize it. Previously, you can see that the image was merged with background. So let's learn how to do that. Select the image layer and click on N and select light and color from the options. Resize the image and you are done. Thank you all for watching.